unstable, and homes are going under contract in as little as 8 median days. It's Friday, May 5th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. Overall, buyer activity is slow, but Queen Anne's and Wicomico counties have increased to steady. There are 1,026 properties for sale, which is up from last week. 106 homes are coming to the market, marking a rise from last report. 179 homes went under contract in only 9 median days. 195 properties sold within 8 days of hitting the market and at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Great Oak Estates of Chestertown for $1,250,000. Available rentals fell to 62 for lease at $2,025 per month. These are going under application in about 24 days. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, May 5th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you next week.